Assalamualaikum and hello everybody. Well, I'm delighted to have the opportunity to conduct the massive open online courses for Bsr255 Building Surveying Practice 2. In this video, I will be discussing the Model 3 entitled Costing for Remedial Works. Under Topic 7, Remedial or Method Statement of Defects. Why do we need to know the remedial works? As building surveyors, despite knowing the type of building defects and their causes, we also have to know the remedial works. First, to understand the definition and objective of remedial works. Second, to identify the main components to be addressed in remedial works. Third, to identify the steps involved in writing method statement. Topic learning outcome. For this topic, we have 3 topic learning outcome. Learning outcome 1, students are able to understand the methods of remedial works. Learning outcome 2, students are able to identify the materials used for remedial works. Learning outcome 3, students are able to understand the process involved for remedial works. Before we go further, I would like to share with all of you the topic content outline. First, why do we need to know the remedial works? Second, topic learning outcome. Third, topic content outline. Fourth, components of a building. Fifth, what is remedial works? 6, method statement. 7, resources available. 8, self-assessment quiz. And the last one, let's recap. Components of a building. The buildings can be divided into 2 main components. First, structural elements are those needed to carry the loads. Example of the elements are beam, column, wall, floor slab and staircase. The second one is architectural elements. Do not carry loads and are meant for aesthetic purposes only. Examples of the elements are cladding, apron, roof, wall, door and window. What is remedial works? Thus, the main objective of remedial works is to solve problems, in contrast with repair, which only fixing or mending problem. In this video, the link is provided to be viewed by all of you, thus and to better understand what remedial work is. What is remedial works? Thus, the main objective of remedial works is to solve problem, in contrast with repair, which only fixing or mending problem.
Very happy to be here this morning.
In this video, the link is provided to be viewed by all of you, thus and to better understand what remedial work is.
So you're going to see some of my heart.
What is remedial works? Thus, the main objective of remedial works is to solve problem, in contrast with repair, which only fixing or mending problem.
What's going on
in this video, the link is provided to be viewed by all of you, thus and to better understand what remedial work is.
I'm going to present some of the projects we've done with Tony.
What is remedial works?
There's a number of them.
Thus, the main objective of remedial works is to solve problems, in contrast with repair, which only fixing or mending problem.
They extend far beyond for
in this
me,
video,
the project.
The link is provided
always greeted me with a smile
to be viewed
and a
by all of you,
very good
thus and to better understand
trusted each other
what
and had faith
remedial
we could depend on one
work
another.
is.
Inspired me
what
to reach
is
further
remedial
and
works?
to go further with my engineering.
Thus, the main objective
He
of
made me a
remedial
better
works
engineer, but he also
is
made me
to
a
solve
better
problems,
person.
In contrast
And I thank
with
him for
repair,
that.
which
Here's to
only
Tony with many
fixing
thanks.
or mending problem.
First project
In this video,
is a water
the
tank,
link is provided
in Los Animas,
to be viewed by all of you,
Colorado.
thus and to better
Diameter
understand
130 feet.
what remedial
There are
work
12
is.
interior columns,
What
16
is
inch
remedial
square.
works?
The slab
Thus,
that is the
the
roof
main
slab
objective
is
of remedial
7.5
works
inch
is to solve
thick
problem.
post-tension
In contrast with
slab.
repair, which only
The
fixing
water
or
tank sits on the
mending
ground. This is a
problem.
plan view drawn by
In
Jim
this
Harris.
video,
And
the
Jim was the
link is
project
provided
engineer on this and
to be
principal.
viewed by all of you,
The
thus
exterior
and to
wall is
better
20 foot
understand
high. It was built
what
in the late
remedial
70s.
work is.
So Jim goes out
What
and looks at
is
this project
remedial works?
because there's some distress showing
Thus, the main
Roof
objective
slab
of
distress
remedial
in
works
1986,
is to solve
falling
problem.
in the underside
In
of the
contrast
columns.
with repair,
Very
which
unusual.
only fixing
Cracks
or
in the
mending
top of the slab.
problem.
In between the
In
columns.
this video, the link is
And there's low
provided
spots also.
to be viewed by all of you, thus
Unusual
and to better
circumstances
understand
here.
what remedial work
Jim looked
is.
at the design and saw that it was very thin.
What
It
is
was stressed
remedial
over the
works?
interior columns.
Thus,
Top
the main
cracks.
objective of
Like I said,
remedial
very
works
unusual.
is
So he
to
got
solve
Tony Murray
problem.
involved.
In contrast
Engineering
with
needs,
repair,
you know,
which
what are we
only
looking at? What are we
fixing
gonna do?
or mending
And
problem.
construction techniques.
In this video,
So, what are
the
the
link
engineering?
is provided
Define what the damage
to be
is, what's
viewed by all
deteriorating.
of you, thus and to
distress, and
better
why?
understand
Why
what
is this
remedial work is.
So
What
Jim goes
is
out there and he
remedial works?
puts his knife down on the
Thus, the main
slab
objective
and
of
measures
remedial
cracks.
works
He
is to
sees,
solve problem. In
some of the
contrast
top cracks
with
are
repair,
closed,
which
and some
only
of them are
fixing or mending problem.
strange.
In this
He looks
video,
underneath
the link
the
is
slab,
provided
and these are
to be
photos
viewed by
shot
all of you,
from way down below.
thus and to better
The underside of the
understand
slab is
what
spalled,
remedial work
and the
is.
bent rebar that's coming up
What
into
is
the slab
remedial
from the column
works?
below.
Thus, the main objective of
Slab was
remedial works
lifted
is
by
to
water
solve problem.
inside the tank.
In contrast
And it's
with
actually
repair,
lifted off the
which
columns.
only fixing or mending
What happened
problem.
was there was a pump
In this video,
pumping water into
the
the
link
tank
is provided
that was turned
to
on
be viewed by
and
all of you,
by a fire
thus and to
that
better
occurred
understand what
and
remedial
was,
work
had a
is.
higher capacity than the overflow.
What is
valve
remedial
allowed.
works? Thus,
Pressure
the main objective of remedial works
Design did
is
not
to solve
anticipate
problem.
upward pressure,
In
of course.
contrast with
we
repair,
got some serious
which only
issues here.
fixing or mending
Now, what's
problem.
going on? So Jim's
In
primary
this video,
concern is
the link is
the
provided
spall at the
to
columns
be viewed by all of you,
is about halfway through
thus
the
and to
thickness
better
of the slab.
understand what remedial work is.
Zero capacity is,
What
he
is
calculates with a
remedial
fee
works?
of 0.85 because
Thus,
this is
the main
1986.
objective of remedial works
79 kit
is to solve problem.
and a shear
In
demand
contrast with
of
repair,
74 kips
which only
without any
fixing
load factor.
or mending
That's just the
problem.
weight of the slab.
In this
If you look
video,
at it today
the
using load
link is
factors and a
provided
fee factor of
to be
0.75,
viewed by all
you have
of
a
you,
demand capacity
thus
ratio
and
of
to better
1.5.
understand what
In
remedial
562,
work is.
we look at that and we say,
What is
that's
remedial
a serious
works?
problem.
Thus,
particularly for
the
punch and
main
shear.
objective of remedial works
Seriously unsafe
is to solve problem.
conditions as a result of
In
lack of
contrast
redundancy.
with repair,
to
which
resist
only
the
fixing
slab deadlock.
or mending problem.
So what do we do?
In
Well,
this video,
Nowadays, we
the
would
link
immediately
is
short
provided
possibly, but
to be
at this
viewed by
time,
all of you,
we looked at it and
thus
said,
and to better understand
we need to get
what
this thing
remedial
repaired as soon as
work
possible.
is.
Let's
What
put in
is
some
remedial works?
column
Thus,
capitals
the main objective
around
of remedial
these
works is
and
to solve
to
problem.
restore the punch and shear
In
capacity.
contrast with repair, which only fixing
This is a
or
section
mending
of what
problem.
Jim actually sketched.
In this
And
video,
this is
the link is provided
The use of pre-placed
to be viewed by
placed
all of you,
aggregate.
thus and to better understand
And the
what
idea was to
remedial
use
work
this
is.
to reduce the potential for
What
shrinkage
is
causing
remedial
gaps between
works?
the existing concrete and
Thus,
the new.
the main objective
replacement.
of remedial works is to solve
This is
problem.
construction technique,
In
and this was
contrast
suggested
with
by Tony.
repair, which only
Simple
fixing or
section
mending
or
problem.
through that capital shows you how big
In
it
this
is
video,
compared with the column.
the link is
And,
provided to be viewed by all of you.
Today, I would say
thus
that
and to
there's
better
less
understand what remedial
pre-placed
work
aggregate
is.
used than there was in the
What
past.
is remedial
Partly
works?
because of the use
Thus,
of
The
shrinkage
main objective of
compensating,
remedial works
self-consolidating
is to solve
concrete.
problem.
But
In
not in
contrast with
1986.
repair, which only
Tony worked as a
fixing or
consultant with
mending
us, and his firm
problem.
Restruction did the repairs.
In this video,
So
the
we were
link is provided
really looking
to be
at
viewed by
doing
all
a good
of you,
job with this.
thus and
And
to
I
better
should
understand
note
what
The
remedial work
reinforcing
is.
in that capital would be very hard to
What
place.
is remedial works?
If you can see what's
Thus,
going on there,
the main
you
objective
can't
of
get it in
remedial
around the
works
column.
is to solve problem. In contrast with repair, which only
Next project
fixing
is
or
more the
mending
typical type
problem.
of project, and I present this because
In this
this
video,
again is a
the link
1986
is
project
provided
where
to be
J.R.
viewed by
Harrison
all
Company
of
is doing
you,
half-cell
thus
testing
and to better
on a
understand what
very
remedial
small
work is.
portion of an
What is
exposed
remedial works?
concrete deck.
Thus,
has
the
both
main
twin
objective
T's and
of
structural
remedial
slab.
works is to
And the
solve
reason
problem.
is this is the
In
sort of
contrast
typical
with repair, which
but
only
it leads to
fixing
other
or
things.
mending problem.
Exposed concrete deck, double T's
In
and
this
structural
video,
slab,
the
restructuring did the
link is
repairs.
provided
Repairs
to be viewed
consisted
by
of
all
epoxy
of you,
injection,
thus and to better
expansion
understand
joint repair,
what remedial work
removing and
is.
replacing concrete above
What is remedial
the
works?
structural slab.
Thus, the
for
main
some of the
objective
corroded
of remedial
reinforcing and
works
removing and replacing
is to
concrete
solve
and
problem.
adding reinforcing
In
bars.
contrast with
epoxy
repair,
coated bars
which
over the
only
double T's.
fixing or mending
Like I said, this is more the
problem.
typical type of repair
In
that
this video,
we did
the
with
link
restructuring
is provided
in the
to be viewed
80s.
by all of you, thus and
This,
to
on the
better
other hand,
understand
is a
what
project where
remedial work is.
restructuring was helping me do an
What is
investigation.
remedial works?
And what I'm doing
Thus,
is I'm
the
looking
main
at
objective of remedial
Terminal
works
Garage in Denver.
is to solve problem.
This is a very
In
old
contrast
garage
with
designed
repair,
based on
which only
1928
fixing
provisions.
or mending
It
problem.
has not only chloride
In this
contamination,
video,
but it
the
has
link is
carbonation that's
provided
taken place.
to be
And
viewed by
these
all
are
of
beyond the
you,
limits of what we
thus
know we
and to
can
better
control.
understand what remedial
Very
work
high
is.
levels.
What
It
is
has both
remedial
interior
works?
and exterior concrete,
Thus,
parking garage,
the
a
main
10.5
objective
inch
of remedial
structural
works
slab,
is to solve
very
problem.
thick for the column
In
spacing.
contrast
Two-way
with repair,
system.
which only
And you're going to see
fixing
some of this
or
reinforcing.
mending
It's
problem.
massive. Look at the number of bars
In
that
this
are in this
video,
concrete.
the link is provided
When I looked at and
to be
and
viewed
checked
by all
the
of you,
strength that was
thus
required,
and to
and
better understand
old
what
loads were
remedial
less than what
work is.
they are today,
What is
I
remedial works?
found some astonishing
Thus,
numbers.
the main
But
objective
here,
of
what
remedial
we're doing
works
is we're
is
removing
to solve
3
problem.
to 3.5
In
inches of the
contrast
existing
with repair,
concrete
which only
down
fixing
to
or
and or
mending
below some
problem.
of the top reinforcement, but not all of it.
In this video,
And we're
the
going to
link
add bars
is provided
and do
to
repairs.
be
here.
viewed
And-
by
and
all of you,
Tony's idea
thus
was
and to better
you've got to be
understand
consistent
what
with proper
remedial work
assessment
is.
to do proper repair.
What is remedial works?
Great idea. It's a good concept,
Thus,
and it's one
the
that we
main
use.
objective of remedial
all the
works
time.
is to solve
The owner
problem.
is seeking
In contrast
20
with
years
repair,
safe
which
life on
only
the structure.
fixing or mending
the
problem.
slab itself is covered with,
In this
about
video,
2
the
inches of
link
asphalt.
is provided
so we can't
to
see
be
the
viewed by
concrete.
all of you.
We have to remove the
thus
asphalt
and to
before we
better
can.
understand
What
what
we can see is we
remedial
can see
work
cracks in
is.
the top of the asphalt, and
What
we know
is
from
remedial
that when we
works?
take the asphalt off
Thus,
that the
the
concrete
main
has
objective
spoiled
of remedial works
and it's
is
right
to
over the
solve
top
problem.
reinforcement.
In contrast,
This is what it
with
looks
repair,
like when you start to
which
take
only
the
fixing
asphalt
or
off and the
mending
concrete
problem.
below. It's just
In this
pulverized.
video, the link is
using
provided
full bar areas
viewed
that were
by
on
all
the
of
drawings,
you,
and I did have drawings,
thus
very
and to
good.
better understand
We've got
what remedial
2 to
work
3.5
is.
times the required reinforcement.
What is remedial works?
That's why the structure is
Thus,
still standing
the
up,
main
really,
objective of
before
remedial
there were any
works
repairs.
is to solve
And,
problem.
and
In
if you look at
contrast
the
with repair,
picture in the
which
lower
only
picture here,
fixing
you can
or
see bars
mending
running
problem.
4 different directions.
In this video,
It's kind
the
of
link
unusual. I got
is
4
provided
layers of bottom reinforcement bar.
to be viewed by all of you,
Shear is not an
thus
issue
and to
because
better
of the size
understand
of these cabinets.
what
These are
remedial
huge.
work is.
They are
What is
approximately
remedial works?
7 feet across.
Thus, the main
And
objective of remedial works
Interestingly, the
is to
concrete
solve
below
problem.
the
In
reinforcement when we got
contrast
down
with
to
repair,
this,
which only
is
fixing
solid.
or mending
I mean, there's
problem.
just it's great.
In this
Good
video,
aggregate.
the link
And
is provided
good concrete.
to be
We
viewed
limited
by
the
all
repairs
of you,
to isolated areas
thus
with
and to
high
better
stress over the
understand
columns
what
based on a
remedial
survey
work
that we
is.
did. And we
What
just
is remedial
provided
works?
reinforcement at
Thus,
those
the
particular
main
areas,
objective of remedial works is
and
to
we
solve
provided
problem.
enough
In
reinforcement
contrast
to
with
take the
repair,
full moment
which
capacity
only
for negative
fixing
bending.
or mending
We
problem.
use quarter-inch diameter stainless steel
In this
screws
video, the
to
link is
enhance
provided
our horizontal shear
to
capacity.
be viewed by all of
because
you,
we couldn't get quite
thus
enough
and to
shear
better
that I
understand
rely upon.
what remedial work is.
The assessment was in
What
2008.
is remedial
Bottom
works?
reinforcement, like I said,
Thus,
existing was
the
adequate.
main objective
This
of
is the
remedial
top
works
steel. This
is
was
to solve problem.
restructuring.
In contrast with repair,
Doing this, we
which
open this
only
up and you can see
fixing
the square
or
edges,
mending problem.
like Bruce showed you.
In this video,
So
the link
we
is
took this
provided
down to solid
to be
concrete,
viewed by all of you,
and
thus
we
and
did
to
these
better
repairs in
understand
2009,
what remedial
2010.
work is.
Restructuring did some of them, Roar
What
construction
is
company did the
remedial
others.
works?
We
Thus,
reviewed the
the main
performance
objective
in
of remedial works
2015. We're going
is
to look
to
at this
solve
every
problem.
5 years.
In contrast with repair,
Replacement concrete
which
is
only
solid. There's no
fixing
cracks.
or
There's no
mending
bonding separation.
problem.
Of course, we could only look at a few areas
In
because
this
again,
video,
we have to take
the
off the
link
asphalt to
is
look at it.
provided
But
to
you
be
can see
viewed
I'm
by
standing
all of you,
on some, when I
thus
was
and to better
thinner,
understand
some
what remedial
nice
work
concrete
is.
there. Next check
What
would be
is
in
remedial works?
2020.
Thus, the main objective of remedial works
This is a
is
small
to solve
project
problem.
that I did with
In
Tim
contrast with
Gumana,
repair,
who's the
which
president
only
of
fixing
restructuring.
or mending
And
problem.
it just shows the type
In this
of
video,
approach to
the link is provided
assessing the
to be
project
viewed by
with
all
the
of
help
you,
of restructuring.
thus and to better
We're looking
understand
at it, we're
what
investigating it,
remedial
and
work
what
is.
repairs are necessary.
What
What you see in
is
the
remedial
photograph
works?
is the support for PP
Thus,
slab.
the main
on
objective
a
of remedial
concrete
works
beam.
is to
The
solve problem.
ledge there has
In
been
contrast
taken
with
out
repair,
and is being
which only
replaced.
fixing or
Those,
mending problem.
Anchors you see with the
In this
nuts on the end of
video,
them are
the link is provided
installed anchors.
to be viewed
fairly
by
close.
all of you, thus
It's a
and to better
two-way post-tension
understand
slab,
what
evidence of
remedial
one-strand
work
fracture.
is.
Cracks
What
and small
is
concrete
remedial
on the
works?
underside of the pore strip
Thus,
between the
the
post-tension,
main objective of remedial works
corrosion in the bottom
is to
bars, and
solve
distress
problem.
in the concrete
In
supporting
contrast
the
with
post-tension
repair,
edge.
which only
Now,
fixing
this is
or mending
Tim working with
problem.
me on this project.
In this
but we're
video,
looking at
the link is provided
what's a proper assessment based
be
on
viewed
what
by
Tony
all
would
of
have
you,
us do,
thus and to better
and determining
understand
what
what
repairs are
remedial
necessary.
work is.
This is the top of the slab. You can see
What
the blue
is
lines
remedial
are
works?
the sheathing
Thus,
on the post-tension
the main
strand, and
objective
they
of
actually
remedial
look pretty
works
good.
is
Top
to solve
reinforcement
problem.
looks really
In
good.
contrast with repair,
And
which only
we
fixing
didn't end up doing
or
any
mending
repairs on the
problem.
top because we didn't see
In
any
this
reason
video,
to.
the link
It
is
looks pretty good.
provided
There's not a lot of cracking.
to be
The
viewed
bottom,
by
on the
all
other
of
hand,
you,
of the pore
thus
strip
and to
was,
better understand
another
what
story.
remedial
And we had
work
to
is.
remove and replace the pore strip in the garage.
What is remedial works?
We removed
Thus,
and replaced that
the
ledge
main
that I was
objective
speaking
of remedial
and
works
we
is to
replaced
solve
one of the
problem.
post-tensioning
In
strands.
contrast
That was
with
interesting
repair,
to me. I didn't know
which
that you
only
could pull a
fixing
strand that was
or mending
somewhere
problem.
on the order of 150 feet,
In this video,
broken somewhere in the
the
middle, and
link
they
is
pulled
provided
it out and replaced.
to be
one
viewed
strand.
by all of you,
Designed
thus
by
and to better
me with J.R.
understand
Harris in
what
2004,
remedial work
and
is.
Restructuring did the repairs
What
then.
is remedial works?
This is
Thus,
another
the main
project
objective
that was
of remedial
actually done
works
by
is to solve
Mike Valley.
problem.
And
In
I don't know whether
contrast
you know
with
Mike,
repair,
but he's
which only fixing or mending problem.
for one of the engineers.
In this
firms,
video,
yeah,
the
larger
link
firm
is
now
provided
and does bigger projects,
to
but,
be viewed by
this was
all
an
of you,
assessment by J.R.
thus
Harris in
and to better understand
1995,
what
and a
remedial
repairs by
work is.
restructuring. This is kind of a unique
What
project.
is
It's
remedial
a
works?
courtyard, and
Thus,
it has a
the
U-shaped
main
building
objective
around
of
it.
remedial works
Concrete
is to
pavers
solve problem.
over, or
In
stone pavers
contrast
over the
with
top
repair,
of the concrete,
which only fixing
which
or
made it
mending
very hard
problem.
to understand how much distress and how many
In this
problems we
video,
were going to
the
have
link
with
is
this
provided
problem. We had to remove the
to be viewed by
concrete
all
pavers.
of you, thus and to
assessment
better
completed
understand
as
what
repairing the
remedial
project,
work is.
partly at the owner's request. We
What
did a
is
set of
remedial
drawings
works?
that showed repairs.
Thus, the main
but we worked
objective
with
of remedial
restructure
works
on what
is
else
to
was
solve problem.
necessary.
In
This
contrast
this
with repair,
shows you the
which
U-shaped building
only
here in the lower
fixing or
photograph.
mending
This is after the
problem.
repairs have been completed, but
In
it's the
this
only
video,
picture I could find
the
that shows you
link
the
is provided
real courtyard issues.
to be viewed by all
All
of
the
you,
entrances and exits
thus
to the
and to
building
better understand
are in
what
this courtyard.
remedial
So we're
work
doing
is.
repairs
What
of
is remedial works?
entire slab area,
Thus, the
and
main
yet we have to
objective of
provide
remedial works is to solve
access
problem.
to the building
In
and
contrast with
emergency
repair,
exits.
which
The
only
underside of the
fixing
bar,
or mending
the underside of the
problem.
slab shows significant
In
bar
this
distress
video,
from water leaking
the
through the
link
slab.
is provided
The
to
stress
be
on the
viewed by all
underside
of you,
result from leaking of
thus
the
and to
water.
better understand
We could see
what
this. We knew
remedial
this had to
work
be
is.
repaired.
What
Beams
is
and slab
remedial
bars
works?
were severely corroded in a
Thus,
number of
the main
areas.
objective of remedial works
Chipped out
is to solve problem.
areas of
In
unsound
contrast with
concrete
repair,
removed and
which
replaced
only
partial
fixing
or full
or
depth
mending
repairs.
problem.
The lower
In this
picture is a
video,
picture
the
of
link is provided
reinforcing at
to be viewed by
the
all
end
of you,
one of the beams
thus and to
next to
better
the column.
understand what
And,
remedial work is.
Once we get done with these
What
repairs, we
is
of course
remedial
had to add
works?
a membrane in order
Thus,
to protect
the
it. We
main
added
objective of remedial works
epoxy-coated
is
bars in
to
the
solve
patched
problem.
areas.
In contrast with repair,
New slab
which only
reinforcement
fixing
and
or
completely
mending
replaced the
problem.
ramp for the stairs.
In this video,
An
the
interesting
link
feature,
is provided
perhaps I can point
to be
this out a little
viewed by
bit,
all of you,
is this
thus and to better understand
was the,
what remedial work is.
way that we provided
is remedial
access
works?
to the building,
Thus,
and
the
we would
main
remove this
objective
ramp
of
and
remedial
roll. We had
works
it on rollers and
is
roll it
to
back
solve
in
problem.
place.
In
so people
contrast
could get
with
in and out
repair,
of the
which
building,
only
and this was
fixing
a
or
restructuring
mending problem.
Tony Murray
In this video,
idea.
the
And
link
this
is
was really a
provided
collaboration project
to be
where
viewed
we
by
worked
all
together.
of you, thus
This
and to
is
better
the
understand
first picture I
what
could find
remedial
of
work is.
External post-tensioning.
What is remedial
External
works?
post-tensioning, these are
Thus, the
the
main
number 2
objective
Denver
of remedial
Highlands
works
structural
is
strength and
to
a
solve
double T
problem.
floor members.
In contrast
with
with
external
repair,
post-tensioning.
which
I'll
only
explain to you a
fixing
little bit
or
about what's
mending
going on here.
problem.
This shows a section
In
of
this
double T
video,
leg.
the
These
link
bars
is
across
provided
here are Dewey
to be
diagrams.
viewed by all of you, thus and to better understand
And you
what
see the shape of
remedial
this
work
is
is.
to pull up on the double T
What is
so that we can
remedial
increase
works?
its capacity.
Thus,
Span was
the
50
main
feet,
objective of remedial
24-inch
works
deep double
is
T's,
to
live
solve
load
problem.
increased from 50
In
pounds per square
contrast
foot
with
to
repair,
83,
which
which
only
was for
fixing or
filing
mending
area
problem.
loads. Added two
In
5/8
this video,
diameter Dewey
the
bag
link is
bars
provided
at each
to be
leg.
viewed by all
It was
of
designed
you,
in 1986
thus
by
and to
Stan
better
Smith
understand what
checked by us.
remedial work is.
Remedial work was
What
installed
is
by
remedial
restructuring.
works?
Now
Thus,
this led
the main
to a number
objective
of other
of remedial
projects.
works is to solve
It was
problem.
inspired
In
by what
contrast with
Stan
repair,
and Tony
which
came up
only
with for this
fixing or
particular
mending
project.
problem.
And we've extended
In this
this
video,
to other
the
projects.
link is provided
This is Village Lofts
to be
repair
viewed by
in
all of you,
Denver.
thus and to
And,
better understand
These
what
repairs, I'll take
remedial
you through a
work
little bit of
is.
this. These are steel
What
corbels
is remedial works?
that were to
Thus,
support at
the main
columns
objective of remedial
the,
works is to
post-tension.
solve problem. In
And
contrast
this
with
post-tension
repair,
system
which
was
only fixing or
not
mending
very unique,
problem.
really, except for the fact that it was
In this
went through the
video,
outside walls.
the link is provided
So we're going to take
to be viewed by
steps
all
here
of you,
from
thus and
86
to
for
better
the
understand
first
what
external
remedial
post-tensioning
work is.
to 2014 and,
What
and
is
the
remedial
current
works?
project that I'm working on and
Thus,
haven't finished.
the main
but
objective of
restructuring.
remedial
We'll know
works
whether they're going to be the
is to
contractor
solve
next
problem.
week.
In
They're bidding
contrast
it right
with
now.
repair, which only
This was the
fixing or
2009
mending
assessment.
problem.
We found several beams with
In
deficient
this
reinforcement
video,
positive.
the link
It
is
actually
provided
was a
to be
drafting
viewed
error.
by all
The
of you,
Drafter
thus and to better
wrote
understand
number sixes
what
when it was
remedial
designed
work is.
as number nines for positive
What
reinforcement.
is
in bars.
remedial works?
Pretty significant error.
Thus, the main objective
Most
of remedial works
cost-effective repair
is to
was
solve
the external
problem.
post-tensioning.
In contrast with
And I
repair,
ended up using
which only
the design
fixing or
based on
mending
the
problem.
2013
In this video,
562
the
code
link is provided
and
to be
restructured
viewed
into
by
repairs
all
in
of you,
2014.
thus and to better understand what
This was
remedial work is.
a collaboration
What
with,
is
again,
remedial
with Tim
works?
and with Tony
Thus,
on
the
how
main
we were
objective of
doing
remedial
these
works
repairs.
is to solve problems.
These corbels were
In
bolted
contrast
on
with
to
repair,
the columns
which only
on each side
fixing or
with a
mending
through bolt.
problem.
That through bolt was
In this
high
video,
strength,
the link
and
is
this
provided
was really their
to
suggestion
be viewed
use
by all of you,
two
thus and to
1
better
inch diameter
understand what
ASTM
remedial work is.
A354 grade
What is
DD
remedial works?
bolts with
Thus,
ultimate
the main
strength of
objective
150
of remedial
KSI.
works is to
These are all
solve
thread
problems.
rods put
In
through the column.
contrast with repair,
Problem, of course,
which
was
only
locating the existing
fixing or
reinforcement
mending
because I didn't
problem.
and couldn't cut that.
In this
We had to
video,
position these
the link is
accordingly
provided
with
to be
properly
viewed by all
constructed
of you,
plates and the
thus
fit
and
up
to
of the
better
surfaces.
understand what remedial work
Concrete
is.
surfaces are not
What
completely
is
uniform,
remedial
and
works?
plates are pretty
Thus,
uniform, and
the
we
main
ended up doing
objective
some
of remedial works
injection
is to solve
of the
problems.
surfaces that
In
didn't.
contrast with repair,
align
which
completely.
only
This
fixing
was
or mending problem.
completely construction technique.
In this
that made
video,
this work.
the link is provided
The evaluation
to be
information,
viewed by
just
all
to
of
give you
you,
a quick
thus
explanation,
and to
this is
better
a plan view
understand
of the
what
slab.
remedial work
These
is.
are the corridors that run down the slab.
What
That's
is
because
remedial works?
showing this because the framing runs
Thus,
into both
the
sides
main
of the
objective
corridor.
of remedial works
These
is
are
to
the
solve
three
problems.
beams that were
In contrast
under
with
design,
repair, which
and
only
the external
fixing
post tension
or
goes on
mending
each side of
problem.
those.
In this video,
Spans of the floor
the
and the roof
link
trusses
is
are to
provided
the corridor walls that come
to
down
be
and load
viewed
these
by
beams.
all of you, thus
Just
and to better
Same sort
understand
of model,
what
only
remedial
showing it
work
3D,
is.
so you can see the span
What
is
is remedial
just
works?
from these exterior
Thus,
walls.
the main
interior
objective of
columns.
remedial works
So
is
it's
to
a
solve
very
problems.
simple
In
system,
contrast with repair,
and
which only
proved to be
fixing
fairly
or
easy to
mending
design
problem.
a repair. And I'll
In
show
this
you
video,
how
the
simple
link
it ended
is
up
provided
being. Of course,
to
some
be
of the
viewed
roof
by
framing
all
doesn't
of you,
frame exactly the
thus
same way.
and to better
always
understand
the case. You've
what
got some
remedial
oddities.
work is.
But look at the similarities to
What
the
is remedial
the
works?
center span
Thus,
configuration
the
of
main objective
these
of remedial works
strand versus
is to
the
solve problem.
external
In
post tension
contrast with
bars
repair,
that were used
which only
in
fixing
1986.
or mending
Almost the same
problem.
pattern with a double harp there.
In this video,
So I've
the
extended
link is
this to now
provided
using cables
to be
and
viewed by
post
all of
tensioning
you,
the cables.
thus and to better
Of course,
understand
the problem now
what
is you have to
remedial
work around
work
all the
is.
plumbing fixtures.
What is remedial works?
And we did.
Thus,
So
the
here's the
main
next
objective of remedial works is to
Little
solve
issue. I'll
problems.
just show you a
In
little bit of the
contrast with
construction
repair,
technique here.
which only
for the
fixing
post tension.
or
It's
mending
kind of
problem.
fun to look at some of these pictures.
In this
That's the
video,
external post
the
tension.
link
There are
is
5 cables
provided
each side.
To be viewed
And
by all
as
of
the
you,
construction
thus and to better understand
technology,
what
as
remedial
the
work
complexity of
is.
the repairs increases, it becomes more
What is
important
remedial
to
works?
have,
Thus, the
construction
main
firms that you
objective
can
of
trust,
remedial works
because you work with
is
more
to solve
complex
problems.
details.
In contrast
Quality
with
control is more
repair,
important,
which only fixing
and that trust
or
factor
mending
becomes a real
problem.
issue. I'm
In this
very
video,
thankful that, by
the
the way, to
link
having
is provided
restructured. This is the
To
current
be
project.
viewed by all of you,
This
thus
is
and to better
Longmont Civic
understand
Center.
what
This
remedial
office
work
right here is
is.
the mayor's office.
What
This is a
is
podium slab
remedial
that
works?
supports it.
Thus,
Podium
the
slab
main
under
objective of remedial
investigation
works
has
is to
lost
solve
somewhere in
problem.
the order of
In
70%
contrast
of the
with
post
repair,
tension.
which only fixing or mending
That puts it at a
problem.
rather risky situation.
In this
Okay,
video,
fortunately, it was
the
designed
link is
in the early
provided
70s,
to be viewed
and it
by
has
all
a
of
lot
you,
of mild
thus
reinforcement.
and to better
Otherwise,
understand
it might be on the
what
ground, too.
remedial work
So
is.
this is the structure.
What is
I
remedial
have
works?
An office area
Thus,
here, corridor
the main
between it,
objective
another
of
office
remedial works
area over here.
is to solve
This is the
problem.
financial center.
In contrast
This is a
with
lobby
repair,
area
which only
for the
fixing
offices.
or mending
And this
problem.
is the main entrance coming into
In this video,
the
the
city's
link
buildings.
is provided
This is an
to be
exterior
viewed by
post
all
tension
of you,
portion of the slab,
thus and to better
and
understand
it's
what
exposed to the weather,
remedial work
which
is.
causes a lot of problems because I've got
What is
post
remedial
tensioning
works?
in 2 directions, and
Thus, the main
they're
objective
exposed
of
to the
remedial
weather,
works is
causing
to solve
problems.
problem. In
We've got
contrast
existing
with
post-tension
repair,
beams, we've
which
got
only fixing
existing
or
post-tension
mending problem.
slab running perpendicular to those beams.
In this video,
We've got some
the
exterior
link
interior
is
walls.
provided to be viewed
We've
by
got
all of
new
you,
self-consolidating
thus and to
concrete
better
beams
understand
we've had to add.
what remedial work
And we've
is.
got two-way external
What
post-tension
is
reinforcement
remedial works?
that we're going to add.
Thus, the
It's been
main
designed, it's
objective
being
of
built
remedial
now.
works is to solve
And
problems.
that's
In
it.
contrast
Now,
with repair,
final
which
statement.
only
Tony
fixing
inspires a
or
lot of
mending
people.
problem.
And he did a great job of that.
In
He
this
taught
video,
construction
the
techniques,
link is
shared his
provided
knowledge of needs,
to be viewed by all of
contributed
you,
to
thus and to
repairs of
better
structures
understand what
with
remedial
restructuring.
work is.
with documents like 562,
What is
16,
remedial works?
and
Thus,
Tony will
the main objective
always
of
be able-
remedial works is
Thank you.
method statement. The primary purpose of a method statement for remedial works is to outline the corrective procedures. It applies to all building works in compliance with all the required specification, standards, and proper construction procedures. First, assessing the severity and complexity of the problem. Second, ascertaining the present state of the structure or element. Third, establishing the repair and or strengthening requirements. Fourth, complete with specification, materials, measurement, and installation. Fifth, rechecks and inspection controls. Resources available. In addition, besides providing you with structured video content, these additional resources will strengthen your understanding of this topic. Let's refer to the online resources available. Self-assessment quiz. The previous video has explained the remedial works. Therefore, the self-assessment quiz is developed to ensure that you understand the topics clearly. Did you understand the explanation just now? Let's check. Please click the link below to enjoy the assessment quiz. Let's recap. We have come to the end of this session. Congratulations, you have completed this topic. Now, let's recap the following. Definition, components of a building, and method statement.